Hi guys! We hope that you guys had a wonderful, thrilling Tuesday and ready to rock and roll with this wonderful Wednesday. Today, what we're going to do for phonics is to be looking at 3 vowel teams that make the different sounds of controlled R vowels. A-R, E-R, and O-R. R, and OR. E-R, O-R, and A-R. A-R, like in the word car, start the car with A-R. A-R says R. And then we have E-R, bigger, better. E-R says And then we have OR, like in the word corn. Corn for the horse. O-R says or. I'm going to show you a chart, and I put sticky notes on the different sounds that control R makes. Then I will show you some cards, and you get to tell me where those words go. Are you ready? Let's look at the different sounds of R controlled vowels. A-R, like in car, star, park, and shark. E-R, thermos, teacher, perch. O-R, fork, horn, storm, and thorn. After you finish watching this video, what I would like you to do is I would like you to get a blank sheet of paper, and with your blank sheet of paper, you're going to fold it in 3 sections, just like this. You crease it, voila. And then you have 3 parts, A-R, E-R, and O-R. I will list all of the words that we talked about today, and you will categorize them by spelling them on each column. Capiche? Capiche. Then if you think of any A-R words, E-R words, O-R words, you can add them to your chart as well. For reading, if you spy a new word, you can put it in there as well. You ready for our words? All right, let's go. Here we go. Our first word. What is that? Yep, it is a scooter. 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 There's 2 vowel sounds in here, and I hear the at the end. Scooter. Our next word. Feather. Feather. And does it have an A-R? Does it have an E-R? Feather. Good job. Our next word. Guitar. Yep. This one's kind of tricky. When you spell this one, be very careful. Guitar. Does it have the A-R, E-R, or O-R? A-R. Good job. Next one. Ta-da! This one is a girl, but this is a person. 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 Does it have an A-R, E-R, or O-R? Good. E-R is correct. Next. Oh, is it like this? Oh no, it's like this. That's a funky shark. All right, here we go. This is a picture of a shark. Shark. E-R? O-R? A-R. Good job. I thought it was backwards. This one, for my ladies that love mermaids. Mermaid. Mermaid. O-R? A-R? E-R. Good job. Mermaid. And when it's really cold, you have to wear a sweater. 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 Good. E-R is correct, and it's at the end. And last but not least, you throw everything that you don't want into the garbage. Arb, edge, garbage. And this one has a ER? Nope. AR? Yes, AR. Great work, you guys. Just remember that controlled R has 3 sounds: AR, OR, and ER. Remember to list all of those words on this paper that you just created. Fold it in 3 parts: AR, ER, and OR. If you find any other words during your reading, you can put them on your list too. Have fun today. Bye.